these are the trades that I took today. We have news at 10 a.m., so I definitely wanted to try and get a trade in with open. I was looking for price to essentially explode up after it touched that green box down there. I believe that was a breaker, and so I was looking for price to touch it and then begin to explode up before the 10 o'clock news drop. There was also a fair value gap there, which is highlighted in yellow. So I was able to enter into 2 trades. So let's see if we can review those trades. So right after open, I was able to get into a long position and exit at my first target. I often think that once price gets to sort of this low-hanging fruit target, then it's going to retrace and go the opposite direction before it continues to head up. So I normally will take my first profit at that short target, and we had relative equal lows or equal highs on the 5-minute chart and the 3-minute chart. I have that outlined here with the green line, and so I was able to exit there. I allowed price to come down a little bit before I re-entered and got into a second trade, and I also noted relative equal highs at, I believe that was 31. And so I always like to place my exit a tick or two below the actual target, because if I see it, so many others have seen it, and I want to make sure that I'm able to get out of the trade. And also, sometimes price will go right to the target and miss it a tick or two, and you will get a big rejection. And that's exactly what happened here. Price got to 30.75, and you see that big red candle rejecting down. Now it is going to go back and clear those 3 candles of relative equal highs, but I was able to take that trade and exit. I was pretty happy with the trade. I did execute how I wanted to. I am still working on managing my risk a little bit better, but I think overall the execution was well. After this particular trade, I just did a little bit more charting and watched price action. I think it's important to continue to study. So turn off any mechanisms that would allow you to enter or exit a trade, but continue to watch the price action. So here are the executions. If you have any questions or comments, just put them below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. 10 before 10.